everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Robin with Beauty and Style, and I am a full-time eBay seller, Poshmark seller, and sometimes Mercari. Not so much Mercari. But anyhow, this is an unboxing bagging of a bag from America's Thrift, another apparel box, I guess you would say, or apparel bag. So we are going to be opening up this bag right now. So let's see what we got. Last time it came in a box. This time it came in a bag. So I don't know. We'll see what we got here. Hopefully I got another good one like I did last time. I keep trying to get the blue box. I never can make it down in time to get one of those. But one of these days, I just might. I don't know. Anyhow, I got the bag open. Here's all my materials. I paid $31 because I had a coupon. So here's what's in the bag. So let's see what we got. I hope I got some good stuff. Let's see what this orangey looking thing is. Oh, it's new with tag, whatever it may be. I had good luck with my last box. So hopefully I'll have another good luck with this one. This is a Lane Bryant, size 18 to 20. And retail value is $89.95. And it is a dress. It's kind of got that ribbed going on, and it could be like an off-the-shoulder thing. But it's oh, it's a jumpsuit. Look at that. It's a jumpsuit, not a dress. Wow, that's good. It's Lane Bryant, and here's the tag. So that's pretty good. Strapless, one shoulder, off shoulder, on the shoulder. Guess that's the different ways. But I like that. It has pockets too. This should sell really well. I hope so. Now this bag could have women's and men's stuff in it, so be prepared for that. Oh, this is really soft. It's a sweater. It is in habit, extra large. Oh, 100% cashmere. No wonder it's so soft. Here you go. This is it. Here is the tag. Never heard of this brand. Right there it says 100% cashmere. Oh, no wonder it was so soft. I hope there's nothing wrong with it. And here we have some kind of a long sleeve t-shirt. It says Vineyard Vines since 1998 Shark Week. That's the back. And this is the front. And let me see. It is a large Vineyard Vines. This might be a men's. Looks to be in pretty good shape. I don't know. Have to look at it closer. And let's see, we have I guess you would say gingham. Okay, I think that's what you call it. Button-down shirt. This might be a men's. Michael Kors, size large, tailored fit. So, yeah, I'm not sure if this is men's or women's. But we'll find out. It's in pretty good shape. I like the color. It might be women's though. I'll know when I look it up. Maybe it says so down here in this tag. No, it doesn't say if it's men's or women's. But I'll know when I look it up. Okay. Here's another blouse. It's nice. It's got elastic hem, elastic sleeves, elastic up, well, not really, it's just a little bit gathered. It's a Michael Kors, size medium. It's the back. And I hope nothing is wrong with the, hope that's the way it's supposed to be. Just checking it out here. Yep, seems to be okay. I don't know what it's made out of. Oh, wait a minute. Viscose. 100% viscose. Where did I put that tag? Here it is. Here's the tag. Very nice. Very nice shirt. Soft, too. This... a jacket. It's Outback. Outback Trading Company. And it seems to be older because the tag is kind of worn. As you can see right here, tag is worn. But it's a green, like windbreaker rain jacket. It's got the hood. And then I guess you can gather the hood up and then fasten it with this around to the back. Seems to be in pretty good shape. Oh, and it has the adjustable snaps for on the sides. So snaps and zippers on the front. Yeah, it looks pretty nice. Yeah, it even has this on the inside. This might be reversible. No. Well, maybe. I don't know. Maybe not. No, it's not reversible. Well, we'll see how this goes. Seems to be in pretty good shape. I don't know if it's men's or women's, but we will find out when I look it up. I don't know what size it is, so it doesn't say. Let me look here again. Doesn't say. But if there's any other tags in here that might tell me what the size is. Sometimes pockets have things in there. Nope. Well, we'll find out what size this is. I can't find any other tag. So, I'm not sure. It's probably more than likely a large. Yeah, has to be a large. Okay. There's another top. It's brown. It has these little details, and it looks like it's a Michael Kors extra large top. And it looks pretty nice. Got the gathering here in the front. Little gold details on the shoulders. That's nice. Here is a suede new tag skirt by blank New York City, NYC. That's what that is. Size 24. New tags. Regular price. Well, it has $98. Then it has anniversary $54.90. So, you know, I don't know. That's a small one. It's got the zipper detail. It's lined. And it's got this tag thing here. So we'll see what that's like. I found a lot of people kind of like the newer tags over the pre-owned, but it's all according to the pre-owned that they like. So, I don't know, give or take. This is a Ralph Lauren, size large with new tags. Shirt. with little short sleeves with a cuff. Well, right there. Ralph Lauren large. New tags. MSRP is $49.50. So that's not bad. I like that. I like the new tags deals. There's another one, new tags. And it's a Kenneth Cole size large. And regular price was $79. This might be a men's sweater. Not sure. Could be women's. Don't know. There's the price. And that's what that is. Wish I would tell you if it's men's or women's, but it kind of looks like men's. And then the last thing in the bag, because the bag is empty now, is looks like a formal dress. New tags. Size 10. Although it says size 14. I don't know. AX Paris maxi dress. And there's the, the size and stuff. I don't know. Doesn't say how much it was at one point. So let's see what this looks like. It's very pretty. It's got all this lacy detail in the front. And the mesh. And on the sleeves, very pretty. This is like a creamy color. And it's very long. It's lined. That's very nice. I like that. And there's the back. Hope I get some, hope this goes for good. I made my money back out of the last one, along with profit. So that's pretty good. The zipper works. Just wish it would tell me, that's the sign there, or I mean the tag. Has to be something good. But I wish I had an MSRP. Its color is nude. So I hope I do good with this. I think I've got enough formal dresses to sell. Hope they start selling soon. But this is really pretty. All this detail, it's really pretty. Let you see a little bit closer. But yeah, it's a nude color. You can see it better back here. Let's see, how many pieces did I get in there? This is one. And there's 2. And 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 11 pieces. And let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces without new tags, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces new with tags. So that's pretty good. I will leave down in the description what my cost of goods was, and I had to pay almost $10 in shipping on this. But before shipping, it was $21.25. You add your $9.99 for the shipping, and it comes to $31.24. But you can't beat the 10 items. And my first box was really good, and it looks like this one's going to be pretty good too. So, I will probably order again. It's hard to find when they have them in stock. So I try to look every morning for any new stock. So I'm going to try. And thank you everybody for tuning in and watching my unbagging boxing from America's Thrift. And I'm going to go see if they have another one to order. Also, I'm going to look at the, I'm hoping I can make it to the blue box on Friday to see if I can grab one of those. So we'll see. We'll see. Right now, it's the American Thrift I get stuff from, and Thredup I get stuff from, and sometimes through my thrift stores. So I have different sources. So I hope everything goes well with this stuff, and I sell, and I hope you all sell too. That's resellers. Thank you all for watching and tuning in. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new, just finding me. And thank you all to my regulars for watching and staying tuned and giving me that thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye for now.